how to manage your devices and signs in Crunchyroll. Hey everybody, in today's video, without any delay, we will be guiding you how to manage devices and sign-ins in Crunchyroll. So let's just get started. So what you can do is you can just head over to crunchyroll.com on one of your devices. And once you are there, you should be finding this interface. So what you can do is you can locate up your profile. For that, tap on the top right corner of your screen, tap on it, navigate towards it, and once you are there, you will be finding your profile name and including that different options available. You can tap on settings, open it up, and open up the settings within your Crunchyroll. Now that you're here, you can look out for manage devices or device management option within your settings available. Here, if it is available, you can just go through these options here. You may just go ahead and tap on the settings option on your screen, drop it down, and you will be finding option called device management. We have different options available. Look for device management. It is under email notifications. Tap on it and it opens up the device management. Now here you will be finding all of the devices that are connected to Crunchyroll. If you would like to delete or you can just go ahead and deactivate the particular device. For that, you can look out for the deactivate option right beside each of the devices, or you can look out for this option called deactivate all devices. Tap on it, confirm it, and that way you can just go ahead and manage your devices and sign ins in your Crunchyroll very easily. We even have the option of activating device if you would like to activate another device instead of deactivating. And that is it. So you may follow up this method if you would like to do so. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will be seeing you in another video.